Hey, my lovely students. Welcome you all in my class, Zia classes. Students, today I'm going to discuss a very funny and very emotional poem, and the name of the poem is The Rescue. The Rescue is very beautifully scripted and written by the poet Hall Summers. As you can see in the picture, it's about a boy rescuing Miss Bachana, a cat who was sitting on top of the tree. See, as you can see, it is a long stanza wherein you can clearly see that I have numbered all the lines, right? Now let's start without wasting a time. Let's start the poem. Here I go. Look at the first line, number one. Look at the serial numbers. The boy climbed up into the tree. Number one, the boy climbed up in the tree. Here we can see the boy climbed up a tree. Number two line, the tree rocked. So did he. The tree started shaking, and so did he. Miss here, the poet is talking about the boy. Okay, it was a night time और बहुत तेज हवा चल रही थी. The tree was, the leaves of the trees were moving. Okay, just flooring here and there. Okay, and it was a strong wind blow, but boy, he did not care for anyone. He just started climbing the tree. He was trying to rescue a cat. Number three, he was trying to rescue a cat. मतलब वो किसको रेस्क्यू करना चाह रहा था, बचाना चाह रहा था. He wanted to rescue the cat. Actually, the boy was trying to rescue the a cat. Okay, number four, a cushion of a cat from where it sat. The cat was sitting like a cushion. Cushion जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं, ओके, इन अ ड्राइंग रूम, इन सोफा एंड ऑल दैट. तो एक कुशन, एक फ्लफी सा वाइट कलर का कैट ऊपर टहनी के ऊपर बैठा हुआ था. द बॉय सॉ इट फ्रॉम डाउन एंड ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी हेल्पलेस एंड ही फेल्ट सिंपथी फॉर द कैट. और उस कैट को बचाना चाहता था. So without thinking, without looking here and there, he started climbing the tree. He was not trained in climbing the tree, but he started because he wanted to rescue the cat. Number five, in a high crotch of branches, mewing. Okay. So in a high crotch of branches means with the support of the branches. Okay, तो cat कैसे बैठी हुई थी, branch के ऊपर बैठी हुई थी. Since wind was blowing very high, the cat was sitting, and the sound of the cat is mentioned here, mewing. The mew, the sound of the cat, meow meow, like that. Okay, number six, you see, as though to say him nothing doing. So the cat was very helpless, and so was the boy. Nothing doing here means can be nothing is happening. The cat was trying to jump down but couldn't. The boy was ready to go up and he went up, but he was unable to help the cat, so nothing was basically happening there. Right? See this line number seven. Whenever he shouted, "Come on, come down." So the seventh line, whenever the boy shouted, "Come on, come down." Okay. तो जैसे जैसे वो लड़का चिल्ला रहा था, वैसे वैसे द कैट वॉज वेरी फ्राइटेंड, एंड वो वैसे वैसे अपना पूरा दैट पॉज एंड ऑल दैट, वो एकदम, एंड शी वॉज फ्राइटेंड एंड शी वॉज लुकिंग टिमिडली to the boy. Whenever, now look at the eighth line. So up he climbed and the whole town. So what happened now? Line number 8, the boy started climbing more and more. He wanted to climb. Now he climbed the highest peak of branches, क्योंकि कैसे भी इस लड़के को उस कैट के पास पहुंचना था, right? Line number 9, lay at his feet, round him the leaves. So lay at his feet, at here means cat, round him the leaves means the boy could see that a cat's feet, it was totally covered by leaves. The cat feet was totally covered by leaves. Okay, पूरे पत्ते से उसके paws, छोटे छोटे white paws cover हो गए थे. Now line number 9, lay at his feet. Okay, number 10, floated like a lady's sleeve. Okay, here the poet is comparing the movement of leaves like a lady's sleeves moving. The cat seems frightened. So the जो leaves थे इतने, because the weight of the leaves are is very light, right? तो वो leaves ऐसे लहरा रहे थे, हिल रहे थे वो paws के ऊपर, जैसे किसी, ये here the poet is doing a sweet comparison with a lady sleeve. जैसे लेडीज जैसे कुछ भी पहनती हैं तो हाथ पे स्लीव्स लहराता है ना. So like that only the leaves were also flowing. It was flapping here and there. Look at this, students. Look at this line. 11th one, and the cat sat and the wind blew so. So the pressure of the wind was high and the boy was frightened to think that the cat might fall from the tree. So I have given you a explanation of both line 11 and 12. And the cat sat and the wind blew so that he would have flown, that he let go. Means here the pressure of the wind was very high. अब इस लड़के को डर लग रहा था, इतने तेजी से हवा आ रही थी, बह रही थी कि वो कैट गिर ना जाए कहीं, ऐसा वो सोच रहा था. और वो चढ़ भी रहा था, उसको हेल्प करने की पूरा कोशिश कर रहा था. करेक्ट. Now come to a line number 14, 13 and 14, students. At last he was high enough to scoop the fat white cushion or nincompoop. Nincompoop means foolish, idiotic thought. Okay, stupidity we can say. So here finally the boy was also at the same position of the cat and caught cat like a fat white cushion. Okay, and the fat white cushion or nincompoop. And वो boy सोच रहा था कि boy was thinking that is this cat foolish, क्या ये इतनी बेवकूफ है, ऊपर क्यों चढ़ी जब उसको कूदना नहीं आता है, तो क्या इसको डर नहीं लगा. तो he was thinking about all this. Okay, now look at this line number 15 and 16. And tuck her under his arm and turn to go round. Okay, now 15 and 16th line both together I am giving you my explanation. Now boy tucked means अपने वो arm के नीचे उसको जैसे वो घुसा लिया cat को and ready to go down from the tree. Look at the line 17. I hope my camera would be visible to you guys. Line number 17, look at the serial number, okay? But line number 17 and 18, both I am explaining it together. But oh, he began to learn how high he was, how hard it would be. Now suddenly, boy realized that unknowingly, in order to save cat, he climbed the highest roof of the tree. एकदम पेड़ की ऊंचाई पे चला जाता है. And how could he supposed to come down now? 2 lives were there in his hand. अब उस छोटे से जान पे, बच्चे पे 2 जिंदगी का सवाल है. Now 2 lives in his hand. What and who were that 2 lives, guys? One his own life and other the cat's whom he rescued. Okay, the cat life I'm talking about. Now come to line number 19 and 20. Look at this line. First I'm reading, then I'm explaining you. Line number 19 and 20. Having come up with 4 limbs and to go down with 3, his heart beats knocked as he tried to think. Now number 19 and 20 explanation is, now the boy started thinking, he climbed with 4 limbs. अच्छा खासा भली भांति 2 हाथ 2 पैर से चढ़ा था बेचारा. एंड इन ऑर्डर टू कम डाउन, ऐसा ना हो कि 4 की जगह 3 ही बच जाए और एक हाथ पैर कुछ टूट जाए. एंड इज नॉट अ सुपर हीरो टू रेस्क्यू. एंड ना ही वो सुपर हीरो था, स्पाइडरमैन था. ओके, मैन था लेकिन सुपर वाला नहीं था, सो दैट कि वो फ्लाई करके एक हाथ में पकड़ के उसको नीचे उतार ले, वो भी नहीं था. द लिटिल कैट बाय फ्लाइंग, नो ही वॉज नॉट. हिज हैट, so his heart started sinking, mind got blocked. What do I do, thought the boy. Now एक ही क्वेश्चन उसके दिमाग में चल रहा था, what do I do, what do I do means हम करें तो क्या करें. Now come to line number 21, my dear lovely students. Look at this line number 21. All the lines are very closely knit, so you have to really look at this line. He would put the cat. Now look at this line number 21. He would put the cat in the lower chink. She appealed. Now chink means, now let me explain you individually. Line number 21, serial number 21. Now here, now ready to bear the cry of a cat for rescuing anything would be possible for a boy. अब ये लड़का अब now see line number 21. Now the boy thought of an idea that he would put cat in the lower chink. Lower chink means अब वो सोचा कि अब कोई रास्ता नहीं है, अगर हम इसको लेके कूदेंगे तो ये भी जाएगा, हम भी जाएंगे. रेस्ट इन पीस. सो वॉट ही स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि अब इसको कहीं पे छोटी जगह पे हटाना पड़ेगा और जो थोड़ा रोएगा ही कैट, दैट्स ओके, इतना तो रेस्क्यू के लिए रिस्क लेना ही पड़ेगा. लुक एट लाइन नंबर 22 स्टूडेंट, दैट इज वाई आई हैव नंबर्ड ऑल द लाइन्स. Line number 21. She appealed to him with a cry of alarm. Now ready to bear the cry of a cat for rescuing, anything would be possible for a boy. So at any cost, कोई भी कीमत पे. Now the boy wanted to rescue the cat, poor white cushion like cute cat. उसको अपना भी परवाह नहीं था, लेकिन anyhow he wanted to rescue the cat. Okay students. Now look at line number 23. Line number 23. And put her 18 claws in her arm. This line could be very important, students. And put her 18 claws in her arms. It would be very important. Now the explanation of this is, now thought of putting her 18 claws in her arms. Now students, most cats have a total of 18 digits and claws. 5 on each forefoot. All this you might be knowing. See, हम लोग एक उसका बात कर रहे हैं, 4 foot, about the claws of the cat or of any animal. The 5th digit being the dew claw, it is called as, and 4 on each hind foot. Okay, the dew claw is located high on the foreleg, is not in contact with the ground and is not weight bearing. अब ये कैट जो है अपना सारा पैर का जो फिंगर्स हैं सब वो एकदम गड़ा करके बैठ गया था. It was becoming very difficult for the boy to hold the cat also, because the cat was very frightened, damn frightened. Okay. Now look at serial number 24, guys. 24, 25 together, you see. I have put my book in a higher position. Okay, so that will be it will be easy for you to see it. Line number 24 and 25. So he stayed looking down for a minute or so to the good ground so far below. Now here the boy stayed looking and staring. Staring means ghurna. Down continuously. He was looking at the ground, thinking how would he get down. He thought that if he would jump down, with what intensity he will get hurt. अब वो कूदने का सोच रहा था. ग्राउंड, वो ग्राउंड को देख रहा था, ग्राउंड उसको देख रहा था, and cat सबको देख रहा था. So they all were frightened and they were afraid. And boy thought कि अगर हम कूद भी जाते हैं तो with what intensity, किस seriousness से हमको कहाँ कहाँ चोट लगेगा और मेरा भी बात नहीं है. He was totally thinking about his cat. Now look at this line number 26 to 29. I will give you explanation all together. Look at line number 26, 27, 28 and 29. Let me read it, my dear students. When the minute started, he saw it was hot. When it ended, he couldn't move a yard. Yard means length, okay, inch length. So there he was struck in the falling light, in the failing light, and the wind rising in the coming of the night. Now, with each passing minute, boy started feeling that jumping from the tree with cat, which he rescued, would be hard. He started feeling impossible. Night started growing darker and darker and colder with strong wind passing through leaves. So the boy was thinking कि अरे सारा examination God you are taking today only. Wind is also blowing. Night is also growing darker and the cat is frightened and I am frightened deadly too. But how am I supposed to get down? Please help me to get down, somebody. Now look at line number 30 and 31. I'll be explaining it together. Now look at line number 30 and 31. His father, he shouted for all he was worth. His father came nearer. What on earth? Then finally came his father. Oh, thank God, father came, who wanted to rescue his son. and son was rescuing the cat, and father wanted to rescue the son. Father cried to his son, "Oh Lord, please save my son and his cat." Now look at the line number 32 and 33 together. I'll be explaining you guys. Now 32 would be, "I have got the cat up here, but I am stuck. Hold on, ladder," he heard. "Oh luck." Now now son told to father, "I am stuck father, हम अब." तो ये बच्चा बोलता है अपने फादर को कि पापा हम इधर फंस गए, प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट एज आई क्लाइम द ट्री फॉर सेविंग द कैट. फादर ब्रॉट द लैडर. लैडर मीन्स सीढ़ी उधर, ओके सीढ़ी, and told, "Hold, please beta, hold the ladder. I brought it for you to help you and your cat." Now look at line number 34 and 35. At line number 34 and 35 together, I'll explain guys. "How lovely behind the branches tossing the globes at the pedestrian crossing." Now here the poet is talking about the moon and its bright light. Okay, as you can see in the picture also, behind the branches there is a moon and this moonlight which could be easily seen behind the branches, right? Now line 35 means pedestrian. Pedestrian means where the people walks. पैदल चलने का जगह जो होता है रोड पे, उसके बारे में बात कर रहा है. The road on which people walk. Okay, now look at line number 36 and 37. "And the big fluorescent lamps glowed, mauve green on the main road." Now big fluorescent lamps glowed means here, the moonlight, the light of the moon. Here the poet is comparing. Now the poet started talking about the light of the moon and the pedestrian road, the green flowers, the pale purple flowers. Okay, and the poet is talking about the flower and grasses across the road. Now come to line number 38 to 41. That is 38 together. These three lines are 38 to last 41 guys. "But his father did not come back, did not come. His little fingers were going numb. The cat licked them as though to say, 'Are you feeling cold? I'm okay.'" Now when this boy's little fingers were going numb, so father तो आए थे, वो लैडर पकड़ा के वो कहाँ चले गए. Father did not return back. Now अब तो लड़के को और डर लगने लगा. His finger was going numb. He was becoming speechless and motionless. The cat liked him. The cat started licking the boy as if दोनों में दोस्ती हो गया हो. And cat, because animals cannot speak, but they have that sense, guys. And the cat, as if the boy, the poet is saying that the cat, as he wanted to say, "Are you feeling cold?" But boy said, "No, dear, I'm not feeling cold. I'm okay, and I'm there for you at any cost. I will rescue you out." Now look at line number 42 to 45 here. I'm in next page, guys. You can see serial number. Okay, line number 42. "He wanted to cry. He would count 10 first, but just as he was ready to burst, a torch came, and his father and mother, and a ladder, and the dog, and his younger brother." Yeah, what a good news here. Now the boy now wanted to burst out of his cry. वो अभी गिन ही रहा था. Many people have the habit, no? They just count 1 to 10 and they start crying 1, 2, 3. Let me, God control me, control me. 10 तक control नहीं होता है तो they will start crying. So the boy wanted to cry out of fear. He was deadly frightened, as if praying to God to save them. Just then he saw the flash of torchlight. Now came the torchlight, and they were none other than his mom, his father, young brother, and the dog. What a relief. So the boy was quite relieved because he saw all the family members, including that pet dog, also coming. And the boy was thinking, to फिर ये father वापस क्यों गए थे? Anyways, he went to get the torch back, and he was deadly safe now, and he got a sigh or symbol of relief here. Now look at line number 46 to 48. 46 to 48, students. 46 to 48. Up on a big branch stood his father. His mother came on the top of the ladder. His brother stood on the lower rung. Now what a scenario, really, described by the poet Hall Summer. Up on a big branch stood his father. His mom came to the top of the ladder, while his younger brother stood on a lower branch as if all the family members were on the tree. Now look at line number 49 to 51. Okay. Look at line number 49 to 51. Now, whatever lines I'm explaining you, whichever, please look at that lines only. Okay. Now, line number 49. The dog sat still and put out its tongue. From one to another, the cat was handed, and afterwards she was reprimanded. Okay. It is also pronounced as reprimanded, scolding. Now here, now, while all the family members were on top of the tree, poor dog sat still, just waving his tongue out. So the dog सोच रहा था काश हम भी ऊपर चढ़ जाते, but dog was sitting still at the beside the tree. One by one, cat was handled from one member to another. All were carefully handling the cat. So father, mother, younger brother, all were on the branches of the tree. और सब धीरे धीरे कैट को एक हाथ से दूसरे हाथ थमा रहे थे, दे रहे थे. And all now, not only the boy but all the family members, they wanted to rescue the cat. Now students, look at line number 52 to 54. After that, it was easy, though the wind blew. The parents came down, the boy came too. The parents came down and the boy came too. All went inside the house safely to have their supper, dinner. Now look at, and the tree rocked, and look at this last both lines, 56 and 57, and the tree rocked and the moon sat in the branches like a white cat. The cat was finally rescued, and so was the boy, and so was the family. The tree still rocked, and behind the branches, the moon sat, glowing exactly like a white cat, exactly like a white cat, written very beautifully by Hall Summer. So I guess guys, you might have liked my video. I've tried my best to explain you line wise. So go through this, The Rescue, written by Hall Summers. Tata, bye bye, have a nice day, stay healthy.